Today we are working on a Persona 2018. The customer wants to change front speakers and wants to remove the original front speakers to the back, and he also wants to replace the head unit. So he's got the head unit online, so we're just going to install that. So he has chosen the Pioneer TS-G160C, one of our hot selling component speaker. And here we have removed the audio player. So if you want to change the head unit, you make sure you have a wire harness that works with the Proton, so you don't have to cut any wires. And we see here, we're opening up the doors. And the rear speaker for the Persona, it doesn't actually comes with the car. So you don't actually have rear speakers for the Proton Persona 2018. So you actually have the hole there, just that Proton doesn't give you any speakers, just to cut down cost. The TS-G160C has a power rating of 45 watts RMS, and it has a peak of about 300 watts. So you can pretty much hook it up with any factory players without an amplifier. And this is the original speaker. We're gonna be putting it in the rear, and that's it. And we can see here, this is the door panels. So this is actually a very good place to do your soundproof, because these door panels are actually very thin.